Shout out to the Moon Cards and Collectibles for this purchase. So, you can buy trading cards, snacks, packs, rip and ships, ship sealed, and apparently weaponry. So you can get knives from them. To the Moon Cards on Whatnot. You can find them on X, tothemooncards.com. So we were on their Whatnot stream and they had a knife stream. That's right, a knife stream. Woo, what do we got? What do we got? And we had some fun. Okay, so woohoo! Look at these. Fun fact, I absolutely love letter openers. I love them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just put everything in here and show you guys one by one. So let's give a little backdrop. And this was their second stream. And what they do is they get, was it TSA or, oh, what is it? TSA, something like that. Confiscated knives. It was hilarious watching Jay try and open these. And I think he loved it and had so much fun that he wanted me to join in on the fun. So it was hilarious trying to see him open up these knives because majority of the knives were all covered in the tape. And some... I can see why now! I can see... It was hilarious. So this was their second stream, and they were doing lots of different knives and stuff. And so just random stuff. It was a lot of fun. So again, I'll put in the description where you can find them, all their platforms. But okay, let's start off with these. As I was saying earlier, I love paper cutters, envelope, knives, whatever you want to call them. So a lot of these are actually going to go in my personal collection. I'll clean them up. The ones. But yeah, I'll polish a lot of them up. And really clean them. And the ones I don't want, you can find on eBay. So yeah, I'll try and clean these up. I got it polished. So back when I used to be a forklift operator, there is a secret polish that a lot of truckers use on their tires that gets off pretty much anything and everything, and you can really shine stuff up that it looks better than brand new. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. So yeah, a lot of these letter openers I'm going to keep for my personal collection. And if you guys keep watching, I'll show you some knives I already have. R for my middle name. Not Milwaukee. So I'll try and clean this up. Try and get the paint. That's awesome. Somebody. So basically, you try and take this on, from what I'm told, you try and take these on a plane and they get confiscated. And then they make these massive lots of stuff. And then, you know, Tom and Jay from To the Moon picked them up. Okay, I'm not going to try and pull this all right now. I saw how frustrating it looked like when Jay doing it. This one looks so sick. Details looks awesome. Let me see if I can bend it. Okay, so it's probably pewter, or it could be. It's cool. But imagine, like, why would you take this stuff to go on a plane? Like, why? This is sick. I love stuff like this. Like, I have many knives and swords that look just like this. I love that. Just sick. This. It's just hilarious. It was a lot of fun. It was such a fun, amazing stream. So massive shout out to the Moon Cards and Collectibles. I love. It's just cool. Like, I love everything though. I don't know if there's anything I don't love. My favorites are definitely the swords, though. Like, the swords are just another level. Like, here's another. They're just another level. I love sword fighting movies, swordsmen. I love them. Which is a big reason why I like Demon Slayer. So cool. So massive shout out to the Moon cards. If you guys like, what is this a knife? What? I've never seen a letter opener. Oh, that's hilarious. So cool. Yeah, so if you like trading cards, if you like snacks, if you like graded cards, you like mystery things, you like ripping and shipping and having a blast with two awesome guys on stream, then you're going to want to follow To The Moon cards. And I was having some luck with box cutters. Yeah, that'll do the job. That'll do the job. We'll resharpen that up. Sweet. That looks really nice. Very cool. If you're still watching after all this time, what you're about to see is pretty much knives that I paid $0 for. And it's because I review a lot of knives for different brands over the years. And because I love collecting knives, I kept pretty much most of them. All right, let's take a look here. So, this is one set of knives. Most of these, or almost all of these, are going to be brand new. Well, I guess I can't say brand new because I've used them in my videos to test them out. But pretty close to like new. Some I really heavily tested, but look at this one. This is one of my favorites. One of my faves. Box cutter donut. So cool. So as you can see, I have a little bit of everything. A little bit of different sizes. Shout out to this brand. So we review a lot of products for them. Yeah, so you can see I have quite a few knives. And we're going to fill this up now with more. And if you thought we were done, well, you would be mistaken. Because we have this one. All right. And this one over here, we got a bunch of bigger knives. We've got another knife down here. This one, another knife. This one I actually bought many years ago. Used it for a lot of stuff. Then, of course, we got some bigger boys. And again, 99, I would say 98% of these knives I reviewed for companies. I didn't buy these. You can see there's got some scuffs because we tested them out. And when I test out my knives, a lot of times I'm not that gentle on them because I really want to give a full test. So, but yeah. And then we'll add some more from what we got from To The Moon. Check them out, guys. Woo!